Make your emails stand out. Master personalization in subject lines. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting lesson where we take your English language skills to the next level. Today, we're discussing a very important topic in email writing: personalizing subject lines. Yes, you heard it right. The subject line is your first impression and you want to make it a good one. So, let's delve into the world of email subject lines and learn how to craft compelling, personalized subject lines that grab attention. First things first, what do we mean by personalization in email subject lines? Well, it's all about making the recipient feel like the email is crafted especially for them. It might include using their name, referring to a recent interaction, or mentioning something specific about them. A personalized subject line is more likely to catch the recipient's eye and make them want to open the email. Remember, the aim is not just to send an email, but to get it read. Why is personalization so important in email subject lines? It's simple. Humans naturally respond more positively to communication that feels personal, relevant, and unique to them. Personalized subject lines stand out in an overcrowded inbox and can significantly improve your email open rates. So, how can we craft personalized subject lines? Here are some techniques. Use the recipient's name. It's the easiest way to personalize an email. However, it should feel natural and not forced. Refer to a previous interaction. If you've had a previous conversation or meeting with the recipient, refer to it in the subject line. This helps to establish a connection. Be specific. If you know something specific about the recipient, such as their profession or a topic they're interested in, use it. Remember, the key is to keep it relevant and professional. A personalized subject line should feel like a natural extension of your message, not like you're trying too hard to win their attention. Let's look at a few examples of good personalized subject lines. 1. John, your insights in yesterday's meeting were great. 2. Sarah, here's the information you requested on digital marketing. 3. Dr. Smith, an update on the research proposal you reviewed. Each of these subject lines includes the recipient's name and something specific to them. They feel personal, relevant, and invite the recipient to open the email. And that wraps up our lesson on personalizing email subject lines. Remember, personalization is a powerful tool in grabbing your recipient's attention. It's all about making your recipient feel special and showing that your email is worth their time. So, next time you write an email, give a little extra thought to your subject line. You might be surprised by the results. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We hope it has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy writing, everyone!